Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dida Agnehawer with my student number 246121216. I am a student of UIN Raden Masaid Surakarta from the English Language Education Study Program. In this video, I would like to present my assignment for final examination of speaking for academic purpose, which is supervised by Mr. Dr. Haji Jainal Arifin, SPD, MPD. Okay, this article that I will review is entitled Analyzing Justin Bieber's Lonely Song for Teaching Speaking a Critical Discourse Perspective. This article analyzed Justin Bieber's song Lonely by applying critical discourse analysis. The study also discussed how the song can be used as an alternative teaching material to support the development of student speaking skill in English language learning, particularly through discussion and interpreting activities. Moving on introduction, this article explains why songs are widely used in English language teaching, especially to support speaking skill. Songs are widely used in English language teaching because they provide authentic example of language use and create an enjoyable learning atmosphere. Music helps learners feel relaxed and emotionally engaged, which reduce anxiety and encourage them to speak more confidently during classroom activity. Justin Bieber's Lonely presents themes of loneliness, pressure, identity, or an emotional struggle. These themes are closely related to real-life experience, making songs suitable for speaking activity that involve interpretation, personal response, and song lyric reflect emotion and social meaning that can support speaking practice. This means that students feel less anxious and more confident when speaking. Lonely is chosen because it talks about real emotional experience, which make it easier for students to relate the lyric to their own life. After explaining the introduction, I will continue on the method. This study employs a qualitative descriptive research method to analyze the meaning found in Justin Bieber's Lonely. The primary data source is the official lyric of the song, which are analyzing using first clock three-dimensional critical discourse analyzing model consisting of textual analyzing, discourse practice, and social culture practice. To strengthen the finding, interview were conducted with 5 university-level English learners. After listening to the song, participants were asked to share the interpretation, emotional response, and experience related to speaking English. The interview data were transcribed, coded, and compared with the CDA analysis to identify relevant patterns. The researchers uses a qualitative method focused on meaning rather than number. The lyrics are analyzed using critical discourse analysis, and interviews are conducted to understand how students respond on the song and how it affects their speaking confidence. Okay, in this section, I will explain the main finding and the analysis of the song. The results show that the song contains clear emotional expression related to loneliness, public pressure, loss of identity, and emotional vulnerability. Learners found the right emotional lyrics easy to understand because the meaning were explicit and familiar in daily communication. On the other hand, metaphorical expression required deeper interpretation and more explanation, although this caused hesitation at first. Encourage students to think critically and explain their idea in English. As a result, the song supports both emotion understanding and speaking development. When we can see from the result in the student understand direct emotionally lyric more easily. When the meaning is clear, students can express their idea more fluently. However, abstract lyric require deeper thinking, which helps students practice explaining idea in English. In this part, I will discuss what the finding in the relation to teaching speaking. The finding indicate that the emotional content of Lonely plays an important role in encouraging students to speak more actively because the song feel relatable and meaningful. Learners were more confident in sharing personal opinion and experience during discussion. The application of critical discourse analysis helped learners connect the lyric with broader social issues such as a public judgment and emotional pressure. This showed that song-based material combined with CDA can support speaking skill while also developing student critical awareness. They show that emotional content play an important role in speaking activity when students feel connected to the topic. They are more willing to share opinion. Critical discourse analysis also helps students understand the social meaning behind the lyric. Okay, the last to conclude this presentation, I would like to summarize the main point of the study. The study concludes that Justin Bieber Lonely is a meaningful and effective teaching material for developing speaking skill in English language learning. The emotional clarity and relatability in the song help students express ideas, share opinions, and participate more actively in classroom discussion. By applying critical discourse analysis, learners are guided to understand both linguistic and social meaning in the lyric. Therefore, the study used contemporary and emotionally engaging song can enhance students' speaking fluency, confidence, and critical thinking. Overall, this study suggests that Justin Bieber's Lonely is an effective material for teaching speaking using emotionally meaningful song and improve student confidence, fluency, and critical thinking. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation is useful and can give a clear understanding of how song can be used to support speaking skill in English learning. I would like to apologize if there are any mistake or shortcomings in my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.